morning, Mount Pleasant Elementary School students. Today we are going to be talking about the colors of the rainbow in the rainbow order. The cause and effect of when the sun is shining and the rain is sprinkling down, it creates a rainbow in the sky. And this rainbow has a special order. We use it in art when we're thinking about organizing colors. We use it in art to see what colors make other colors. The primary and secondary colors are in there, and there's this also kind of strange color named indigo that finds its way in there too. And so I hope that you watched the video of my friend Roy G. Viv and you memorized the color of the rainbow, because that's going to be helpful with this project. Today is all about organizing those colors. If you have paint, you can use paint. If you have crayons, you use crayons. Whatever you have at home will be fine to organize the colors of the rainbow. But I hope you have fun doing this little project, and I can't wait to see what you create. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need a white sheet of paper, you'll need some pencils and an eraser, you'll need something to add color with, whether it's paint or crayons will work fine, and you're going to need some heart to put in your art. Go ahead and hit that pause button and gather your materials. First directions, always the same. Pick up your pencil and write your name, because no name, no fame. I like to circle my grade on the back too. Flip your paper like a pancake and let's get ready to draw. We're going to be doing two different types of clouds because that's what we see when a rainbow is in the sky. The first cloud we're going to make a little closer to the page. It's just a bumpy line that goes all the way around, and your next cloud is going to be a little teeny bit higher on the right side. Just bumpy lines that go all the way around. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the one that's a little bit higher into a rain cloud. You can do a raindrop by doing a curved line or a smiley face line and then a V, upside down V to connect it. On the left side, we're going to draw a rainbow line to symbolize our sun shining, because the cause of effect is when the sun is shining and it's also raining, it can create a rainbow in the sky. I'm doing my rays as upside down triangles. If you just want to do lines for your sunshine rays, you absolutely can. Whatever you want to try is great. You can make your sun however you want. So we have two types of cloud, a sun cloud and we have a rain cloud. Now what does that make? It makes a rainbow. So we're going to use some curved lines to create our rainbow. And do 7 curved lines that connect your sun cloud and your rain cloud to symbolize the colors of the rainbow. Some work, pals. Next thing we're going to do is, I always love to outline my drawing. I'm going to peel my crayon because it's getting a little bit low and short and stubby. So I'm just going to take a black crayon and I'm going to outline my work. The reason I do this is because it makes the colors pop and I'm able to see some of the colors that are a little bit lighter. So take your black crayon or your black marker and you can outline your drawing too. Alright, once I'm done outlining and I think that it looks really cool, I'm going to use some crayons to color my sun. Now, if you have paint, this is where you can start to add color. I'm going to use a little bit of yellow and a little bit of orange to color out my sun. You can go ahead and start coloring too if you have crayons, or markers would work, color pencils, anything to add color. If you do have paints, now would be the time to use them. Crayons will work too, again, whatever you have, but I'm going to add some paints. So the first color of the rainbow, or Roy G. Biv, is red. So we're going to take, mine's kind of like a red-orange, we're going to take our red and paint our first, or color our first stripe in our rainbow red. Anybody know what color comes next? The O. The O in Roy G. Biv is orange. Orange is the next color in the rainbow. So We have red and then we have orange. After we finish orange, yellow is gonna come next. Yellow will be the Y in Roy G. Biv. The G in Roy G. Biv is going to stand for green, so green will be our next color. So we have red, orange, yellow, and now we have green. After green, we have blue. Finally, we have violet. Violet is another word for purple. Does anybody know what color we left out? You're right, we left out indigo. Indigo is kind of a mix between blue and purple. So we're just going to take a little bit of a darker blue and we're going to add it in between the blue and the purple to symbolize our indigo color. Next, you can use whatever colors you want to paint your clouds. I'm going to paint this cloud sunshiny and bright, and over here maybe I'll paint my rain cloud to look a little bit more like a storm. Take a photo or a short video and show me what you've done on Canvas. I can't wait to see your Roy G. Biv color order. Thanks for creating with me.